A sieve tray shaker is a mechanical device widely used in laboratories and industrial settings to analyze and separate materials based on particle size. The primary goal of the sieve shaker is to determine the particle size distribution of the sample. It functions by applying a controlled shaking or vibrating motions to a stack of sieves, which are metal or plastic frames fitted with mesh screens of specific sizes. In the food industry, they help control the size of flour, sugar, and other powdered or granular ingredients.
Now, what is the function of the test sieve stack? This machine is to separate a sample into different particle size fractions. It does this through vibration or oscillation that cause particles to pass through a series of sieves. Each sieve has a specific mesh size that only allows particles smaller than that size to pass through. After the process, the retained material of each sieve gives us a breakdown of particle distribution in the sample. So, in the food industry, particle size can directly affect the texture, flow, mixing ability, and appearance of products like flour, sugar, spices, or powdered milk. So in short, this machine helps separate, quantify, and classify particles into defined size ranges, which is a critical step for maintaining quality and compliance with food safety standards.
Now I will show each component of sieve shaker. For the top part, we have a clamp bar and also the clamp nuts. Then it has an adjustable conveyor belt that can be tightened or loosened, and it is attached with the clamp nut. Next, the main component is testing sieve. It has 7 sieve baskets that has a different aperture size for each basket.
For the bottom part, it has a timer, switch, and the level of the speed for the sieve tray shaker. In the inner part of the sieve, it has a vibration motor.
The first thing they put is sieve tray. After that, we put the testing sieve that has 212 nanometers, then 300 nanometers, 500 nanometers, 1 millimeter, 1.4 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and the final one is 4 millimeter. Then we need to make sure the testing sieve stack properly. Now, we're gonna put this clamp bar at the top. Using these clamp nuts, we're gonna secure this clamp bar to make it tighter. But remember, don't make it too tight or this instrument will not function properly. Now we can set the timer according to the lab manual. Then we put the sample inside the instrument. After make sure all the thing is correct, we can push the start button. After the timer stop, scrape all of the sample from each basket like this.
Now, I will talk about advantages and disadvantages of test sieve stack. For the advantages, the first one is simple and cost-effective. It is easy to use and no need for complex machinery. It is also lower initial and maintenance costs compared to laser diffraction or other particle sizing equipment. The next one is direct size separation. It provides clear separation of particle size fractions for physical observation or weighing. And the third one is multiple size ranges at once. It can analyze a wide range of particle sizes simultaneously by stacking sieves with different mesh sizes. For disadvantages, the first one is it has limited accuracy and precision. It is not suitable for very fine particles like lower than 38 micrometer due to mesh clogging and loss of material. And the second one is sample loss and contamination. Some fine particles may get lost, especially if handling is not careful. There's also a risk of contamination between layers. And the third one is it is not suitable for all materials. It is not suitable for sticky, moist, or electrostatic materials because it can clog the mesh and affect the results.
In conclusion, the test sieve stack machine is one of the important tools in the food industry. It is to ensure a consistent particle size distribution and help manufacturers to produce better and safer products.